Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I would like to take the opportunity to talk about four different softwares that I've used recently in learning how to visualize data. We will talk about each of them, starting with Excel. Excel is cost with the Microsoft Office. It is a little expensive. However, many people already use it and many companies already have paid for that. So it doesn't seem like an extensive excess amount of cost to use Excel. Excel is kind of limited in its uh, visual data visualization. You have to really manipulate the information, and that was kind of difficult for me. I think that it is a great tool for calculations. It has endless opportunity for formulas. Excel is a great option for many people, but for data visualization, I would probably use one of the other three that we're going to talk about today. Tableau, the part that we chose was free. You can pay for it. It's about $70 per person. For the users, you can share information seamlessly among any of the other users that might be in your corporation. It can handle a lot of data at one time. I liked the click and drop method that you could use with Tableau versus, say, Excel. You have to type everything in or copy and paste. I I really like Tableau as it's been around for a long time. However, it does seem a little bit dated and the way that it looks, and you cannot overlap the charts and graphs that you make for your dashboard. It is an individual, so it kind of looks a little boxy from time to time. With Google Data Studios, it is free, which is fantastic. It's online, it's seamless to share with other people. I think that it's a great tool, that it is free, and I think that it's compatible with a lot of different information. However, it can be slow and it can glitch, which I read for a few reviews that that's one of the biggest downsides to the Google Data Studios. If you're a small company and you just want to make something visual for your data, I think that that's a great resource to use Google Data Studios. Um, and the fact that it's free, it's not going to cost anything more for your company to download or to go to the website. You don't even download anything. So I think that's great. Moving on to Orange, I personally loved Orange. I love that it was fun. I like the little widgets. I think that it's easy to use. You drag and drop it. It organizes your data in a visually pleasing manner. However, it was very difficult to share any of the information. We were requested to use a video to share what we had learned in it, which makes it kind of complicated. I think you could maybe use a snippet screenshot or whatever to use some of your visualizations in, say, a report or something, because it organizes it so quickly. It has a lot of capabilities that we've just barely touched the surface of. Orange is also free. It is a software. You have to download it to your computer, so it's only a one user type of program, but it was very fun. So I enjoyed that. Learning all four of these softwares at one time was a huge learning curve for myself. I just am a basic user in Excel. Learning is endless, I think. I like that we could compare and contrast each one of them as we enjoyed making charts and tables and dashboards. So I think it's a good idea to learn them all at one time so that you can decide which one works best for you, along with depending on what your topic is or your goal. You might want to use, say, Orange over Tableau for something, or Google Data Studios because you want something quick and easy to share. I think that they all have their strengths and they all have their weaknesses, just like anybody else. So I appreciate your time, and I just thank you for listening to my little brief take on each one of these softwares for data visualization. Thank you.